In this video, I will demonstrate Konasana 1, 2 and 3 variations. Just have a look.
Now I'll be demonstrating you the Konasana of yoga. It is giving stretch to your side muscles. When your side muscles are intact, your shoulder levels automatically come to its own position. Have you seen many people like this? If you want them back to in the normal neutral position, this will help you a lot. Along with this, this will also help you in digestion processes and improving your spine and posture. So you should do it daily. The first exercise, just remember Konasana 1. It is divided into 3, 1, 2 and 3. I'll demonstrate 1 first. In 1, you have to keep your hand at your hip level. Your shoulders should be equal. Your hands should be equal. You should look in the front. Just relax your body. Inhale and bend in such a way this hand is moving up and your body is moving down, down, down. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Hold it for some time and then exhale and come back to normal. Same I'm doing on the other side. Keeping the hand over here. Inhale, 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 inhale. Hold it for some time. Exhale. The most common mistake in this exercise is while we are bending, we are just either here or here, not in neutral. Just remember your elbows and everything should be in neutral. In the center, you should look in the front, hold it over here and then exhale and come back to neutral position. Mostly the going time down, hold and coming back is 2 or 3 seconds for inhale and 4 to 6 seconds for stop and again 2 to 4 seconds for coming back to normal, that is exhalation. Just remember this is Konasana 1. Now I am doing Konasana 2. A small variation in this is your hand is going up instead of being at the hip. How to do Konasana 2 is taking it up and bending in the same way, holding your breath and coming back to normal in the same way. Okay, I am doing it on the other side now. Just remember, if you are doing it regularly, then this hand should go down and this should go up in the same manner. Now, I am inhaling, holding my breath, exhaling, and the same thing coming up. Inhaling, exhaling, coming back, inhaling, holding my breath, exhaling, coming back. This process should be together and you will see yourself. The first time you will be able to bend like here, second time here, third time your range will automatically increase if you are doing it regularly. Hold your breath, exhale and come back to normal and then release both the hands and relax. This was Konasana 2. Now I will demonstrate a third variation to this, that is Konasana 3. How to demonstrate that is, just keep the distance same, apart, legs apart, and you have to take one hand up and go down, feel it and look up at your upper hand, hold your breath, exhale and come back to normal. This is the starting position. Now I am doing on the other side. Inhale, go down, look up, hold it, exhale, coming back to normal. Again, inhale, look up, hold it, exhale, coming back to normal. Inhale, go down, look up, this hand, focus on this, exhale, coming back to normal. So these were the 3 variations of Konasana to relax your body, side muscles of your back. I hope you like the video. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please share it and subscribe my channel and don't forget to comment as well. Thank you.